Al.
It's floated in. Oh, what a hit! Overhead, and it's in! An outrageous bicycle kick straight into the top corner. The stadium.
Drives one high and deep to left center field, way back, looking up, and it is gone. A home run.
Crack, he gets all of it. High fly, deep center field. It's climbing fast. Back to the wall, out of here.
What a shot.
Towering home run under the light.
Let's go. And one. Great move.
Cross to the left, spins. Oh, he lost him. Up top, hammer time.
Let's go.
That's nasty. Crowd on its feet as Matthews detonates at the rim.